Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a free gift with purchase on Shopify. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left side menu, click on Discounts. Then click Create Discount. Choose the option Amount Off Products. In the Discount Code section, type a name for your discount. For example, Free Gift. In the Value section, choose Percentage or Fixed Amount. To make a product free, choose Fixed Amount and enter the full price of the product you want to give as a gift. For example, if your free product costs $10, enter $10. This will make it free when customers add it to their cart. Now, scroll down to Minimum Requirements. Check Minimum Purchase Amount and enter the amount you want customers to spend before they can get the free gift. For example, $50. In the Applies to section, select specific collections or products if you only want this discount to work for certain items. Otherwise, leave it for all products. Then, under Customer Eligibility, choose Everyone. Next, scroll to the bottom and click Save Discount.